All right, hello everybody. I want you guys to get super pumped up because we're literally going over what's going to rocket fuel your Shopify business into the stratosphere. If you learn the lessons that we're going to teach you here, there's really nothing that can stop you. So let's go ahead, take some notes, go ahead and set up your page with us right here. Pause as needed so you can do things on your own, but let's just do this hand by hand, step by step. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're right here at facebook.com/business. Okay, so go to facebook.com/business and come here to the home page. Right up here, there's a button that says create a page. All right, and what we're going to do is create a page. And you can see there's multiple types of pages you can start up. Now, you might think you're a local business or a place, a company or organization, or maybe you're a brand, but let me just simplify it for you guys. You're a web-based business, an internet company, and that is located right here in the company, organization, or institution. And go ahead and drop down this choose category button. Go ahead and find internet company. It's right down here. All right, and then type in your company's name right here. So we're going to be Elegant Charms and Bracelets. Now you guys can be anything you'd like. And then go ahead and click here on the Get Started button, and it's going to bring you to your page. Now I've already done that, so it's right here in my menu. I don't want to overflow my menu with a bunch of pages. But here we are, look. We already have a page started, and they make it very, very easy to edit. All right, here's your major picture right here that people are going to see. All right, and you can actually edit that super easy. You just click on the button, and boom, you can upload a photo, take a photo. And what you're going to do is, if you don't already have a logo, which you should have made for your store already, I want to remind you, go ahead and go to Fiverr.com and just type in the word logo in Fiverr. Okay, so here's logo. As soon as you type it in, look, you're going to see so many people that are willing to make you a logo for only $5. And the coolest part about it, in my opinion, is that they'll redo it basically as many times as needed until you really like it. So go ahead, get yourself a $5 logo, get the basic package. You don't need to get too crazy. If you feel like you'd like something a little bit better and you have a little bit more to invest, sure, go for it. But it's just $5. Go ahead and upload something here. It establishes a lot of credibility to your business. If it's just some picture of a random necklace you're trying to sell or something, that's all nice. But just think about if you actually have a logo and something that, you know, shows that you're actually some presence on the internet. So go ahead, get yourself a logo. And right here on this major banner, you can go ahead and upload maybe a picture of what it is that you're selling and include maybe a logo as well, or anything that's interesting that people can look at. Okay, so just go ahead, click that add a cover photo right here, and boom, that ends up going right there. Now, go ahead and just write, here's where you're going to be putting your postings and stuff like that. I'm sure you guys are, pretty much everyone's on Facebook now, but here's how you do a posting. You just go ahead and type right here. Let people know, hey, it's our first day of business. We look forward to serving all of you. You know, do something that just shows you are real. There's a presence for you. Like, so when people actually look, they're like, wow, there's like a person here. There's something real that's going on, you know? And yeah, get familiar with this part right here. So you can share photos right here. If you click this button on your post, you can share a photo. If you click this button, it's going to bring you to the advertising section so you can start promoting your page to other people on Facebook. All right, you can create events. So if you're like a physical store, you can make a sale, like a 15% off coupon and an address to go to. The possibilities are literally limitless, but we'll get into that later, okay? I want you first to go ahead and go down here and click this Manage Tabs button. So go ahead, right here, click Manage Tabs. All right, and from right here, you can actually edit your page roles. So remember, we're talking about making a really big business, right? A really big one. And you're not going to be able to do every single thing on your own. You're going to hire virtual assistants. You're going to hire others that can help you do things. And you can hire people and give them access to your page without giving them complete access. Like for instance, check this out. I can hire a moderator that could help, moderate what is being said on the page, delete comments, things of that nature. And I could just go ahead and click moderator, and I can invite somebody either through email or through their name on Facebook. So say I want this person to be my moderator. I could just put this person in here as the moderator, click add. That person through Facebook is going to say, this person has added you as a moderator. Would you like to accept it? As soon as they do, they become the moderator of your page. But you can hire people that do your advertising campaigns. You can hire people that do your editing. You can hire people that do everything here. So it's very, very convenient. You don't have to lose control of your page, because literally, if you give a person your own username and password, if they wanted to delete your page, they could. So you want to make sure you give people the roles that they have intended, so that they only have the access that you want to give them. Okay, maybe you don't want others to see the advertising campaigns that you go. When they start to see that you're spending $50,000, $100,000 in advertising campaigns to generate your millions, they may get a little jealous and they may want raises, right? So you don't want some people to see that kind of stuff. So make sure it's a secret. All right, so that is how you do page roles. You can edit your page from here. You can do anything. You can add templates, tabs. You can edit your settings for your videos and whatnot right here. You can see here's our URL. If we ever wanted to send our URL for people to come here and look at our videos, you just copy the URL and send it through your online. If you want to send it through your YouTube channel or anywhere, you can bring people here to be Facebook fans. Now, think about why you want Facebook fans. What is so cool about getting Facebook fans? Now, technically, they're people that are willing to look at your page and listen to your posts in their newsfeed whenever they want. So here you go. Here's like a feed of mine, and there's sponsored ads in here. And you can read other people's feeds, right? And it's a great way to get exposure for your business, right? So Facebook is really where it's at. Look, you can sponsor ads on the side of Facebook. You can sponsor posts in the middle of Facebook. Look, this person's trying to advertise a really expensive chair, $249 ergonomic chair, right? And it's really turning into a very popular place to advertise. Maybe 1 out of every 6 or 7 posts or advertisements. Here we got another post. This person's trying to get me into some foreclosure homes, right? So Facebook and your website are going to be able to start buying these ads, and you can start putting your company in front of a lot of other people. And that's just a great place to be. You want to be in front of as many eyeballs as possible. Now, what really matters in Facebook is your likes. The more likes you have, the bigger your fan page is, and the more people that can see your posts. So say you're starting something like you want to do some sort of special. You want to offer like 20% off your website. Everything. Through Shopify in the discount section, you can make a discount code and paste it right here. And you can just go ahead and click the publish button, and the people in your fan page would automatically see that post. So you would have, if you had 100,000 followers, potentially between 30 to 50,000 people. It always depends on the day and the time you post and just how much user engagement there is. But you can get 20, 30,000 eyeballs on that one post if you had 100,000 followers. So the goal is always to get as many followers as you can. And there's a good long-term strategy to doing that. Obviously, if you offer a lot of free items and then the buyer just has to pay shipping and handling, a lot of people are going to really like that offer and like your page for doing it. In fact, you can even ask, like, could you like our page as well with this free plus offer campaign? Or this offer is only free plus shipping and handling if you like our page. If you do that, you have another potential person that you can advertise to potentially indefinitely until they either delete you as a friend on Facebook or just unfollow you. Now, if you're not annoying on Facebook, they may just follow you forever. So don't be annoying. Don't throw out a billion posts about nonsense, about just constantly selling things. You're going to want to toss out things that actually pertain to the interest of the group that you're looking at. So this one looks to be kind of a Christian theme, right? We have a cross here. If you could stick with things that are like Bible verses or things that people would be interested in, events for Christianity, things that pertain to that subject, where if you're offering a lot of valuable information that people would be interested in, they're going to be receptive at actually following your post, maybe liking your post, maybe even sharing your post if you're clever enough, okay? So coming up with great high quality content is extremely valuable, and I recommend doing it as much as possible. You don't want to just spam your page with every single advertisement offer that you have. You want to actually give people value. All right, through here, you can also promote your page, okay? And it's so easy. So say you want to advertise your business, you can do all that right here by just clicking advertise your business. If you'd like to get more website visitors, you click on this button. If you'd like to promote your page, you click this button. If you'd like to share your page with friends, you do that. And there's just so many options here, right? So another really important thing that I'd like to just glance at with you guys, and we'll go over much more deeply in another video, is the creating ads tab. Now that's where the magic's going to happen, right? You're going to go ahead and click that create an ad tab, and it's going to bring you to your ads manager, and this is really where everything takes off right here. You can create your objectives. The objective that most of us are going to go for is increasing your conversions on your website. Now, conversions basically getting people to the shopping cart and buying, okay? And this Facebook is going to go ahead and figure out exactly how to get as many of those people into your website and convert. Okay, you can boost your post for many different reasons. Maybe you just had something clever that you said on your Facebook post that you think will go viral, and you can boost that post and try to broaden the reach of your post so other people will like your page. You can just promote your page so other people can take a look at it. So maybe you have a wolf page where you're promoting some cool wolf stuff, where you put cool pictures of wolves on, you talk about wolves, and you promote your page to people on Facebook that like wolves. And we'll get into showing all that stuff more in depth in the next video. So let's keep going through and looking at other cool stuff. Let's go back to Facebook, go back here to our page, and check out other ways that we can market our page. It's not just Facebook. You can also market through Instagram. Instagram is a huge platform, and bypassing Instagram as a potential place to advertise your products is really the wrong move. So go to Instagram. If you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and click here, add an account, and get your Instagram page up and running. Now, Instagram is owned by Facebook, so they coincide with each other. And what you can do a lot of times is if you're posting pictures and things on Instagram, you can have the Instagram postings automatically go to Facebook as well. So it's a great way to advertise on multiple platforms at once. So definitely create a new account if you don't have one yet. What's really cool too as well is if you have multiple people that you would like posting on Instagram for you, you can add as many people as you'd like to the Instagram account to upload postings and do all that kind of stuff for you to, streamline things and make things more visible. All right, next, let's go ahead and check out this featured button. If you started your business with another owner, like you're co-owners with the business, you can actually add an extra person into your page owner file, and you do that right here. For cross posting, you can go ahead and click right here, and you can cross post between two pages or more. All right, now back to the main screen of our ad right here, or our page. You can go ahead and get into your ad accounts. Just go ahead and click on this arrow right here and go click down here on manage ads. Now I've run a couple of $5 ads on here just for fun, and I of course promote my pages on other things, so this is going to show just my ads manager in general. And you can see here it shows you a graph of how much you've spent. You can see I've spent $5 a day for a little while testing out new things, and this is that whole manager where all of that stuff is listed. So you just go under manage ads, manage your ads account, and that's how you get there. And then click there. What's cool here is, and we'll show you about the ads as we go, but you can see how much engagement people have on like video engagement, the carousel type of ads that we'll go over that are very nice, the performance ad clicks, All of that is really, really handy to know, especially when you're trying to break down how profitable things are. Then you can really break down to what groups are performing the best, like genders, ages, regions, every single thing. You can really break down and figure out what ads are working for you, what markets are working best for you, and what's not, so you know when to kill ads and when to keep them going. And of course, we'll get super deep into that. We're just kind of going over the dashboard here and checking everything out as we go. Up here at the top, up here is the Ads Manager home base here. And this is one of the most important parts of the ad page. It's the pixels. And I'll make a whole section on the pixels. It's going to show you, a pixel is basically like Google Analytics, really. If you're not familiar with Google Analytics, a pixel is basically going to be a little bot that goes on every single page of your Shopify account to let Facebook know when someone has been on a certain page, when someone's added something to a cart, and when someone's bought something. So it lets Facebook know that a purchase has been made. If you've signed up for the conversion strategy through Facebook, it'll let you know how many conversions you've made. So Facebook will generate this code for you that you can put into your Shopify store. But I've showed you there's also an app on Shopify where you can put the pixel in. We'll show you all about it. We'll make it super easy. I just want to give a general overview. The pixel is cool because it shows exactly how many pixel fires have happened. So you can see on the 23rd, there was 168 pixel fires. So there was a lot of people, crawling on that, which was basically me making this introductory course and just showing you guys how to work it. But that's where all that stuff is going to come into place. It's going to be great because you'll know hundreds of thousands of people have clicked on your item, or zero, or it'll show you exactly what's working and what's not. So you need the Facebook pixel. It's essential. A lot of people forget about setting up Facebook pixels and using conversion strategies. So I'm glad you guys are here so we can save you a lot of time and make you guys some more money rather than waste it.